Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of June 15th using this kit by I Love My Planner Shop called Enjoy Today. Full disclosure, I absolutely hate the taste of watermelon, but I think that watermelon designed anything is adorable. So I am still excited to use this kit even though I would never eat any of the stuff in it. And if you see how this is like the pieces of cake, so I don't know if it's meant to be this way, but I actually do know someone who she has celiac, and she makes for birthdays, she makes a quote-unquote cake that is basically a watermelon that's been iced. So I think she cuts it in half and then flips it over so it's like a dome, and then ices it, and then they eat that like a cake. And she gave me a piece of it once, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, I love you and thank you so much for sharing this cake, but why do you hate me? What did I ever do to you? Because I really don't like it. And I've never liked it. Like anything like watermelon flavored candies, I think are absolutely like abhorrent. But they are cute. Like, no, watermelons themselves aren't cute, but patterns with them, decor, etc. is cute. If you can hear snarfling behind me, that is Tinkerbell trying to make herself a bed on the chair in my office, which it looks like she has now succeeded in doing. And if you can hear that noise, that's my husband playing video games. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kate. I have a daughter, 3 dogs, and a husband. All of whom occasionally make noise in my videos. To number this, I think I'll just do it, I think the date dots I have are going to be too big, but let's just check quickly to see. You know what? I think I'm gonna use them anyway. So, it is currently Monday night. I am hoping to film this, edit this, and get it uploaded tonight because it was supposed to go up today at some point. I am a little bit delayed because we have been doing a huge purge and organize in our house. And last Tuesday morning, we had a dumpster delivered to the house, and we rented it for a week. So it has been in our driveway for a week now, and I believe it's being picked up tomorrow morning, so we needed to hustle and get everything taken care of. What am I doing here? No, I don't think I actually want to do that. I feel like I have a busy week ahead of me, but then when I think about it, I think, I don't know why I believe it's that busy. Does that make sense? Like, do any of you ever have that? So I'm gonna start, am I gonna use full boxes today? I mean full deco boxes. Maybe I'll see once I'm done. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna mark is just that we did this big purge today. Oh dear, this planner. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna write on Mondays in another couple weeks. It's gonna be like impossible. Okay, and then we also went to see, we're car shopping right now. So we also went to see 3 cars today. We're shopping secondhand. We just need a second vehicle because my husband's car lease was up during, like, it basically came up during the pandemic, and so we have because I work from home right now, and have done for a few years, we decided to forego the second car for now and make do with just one, because obviously during a pandemic, I'm just gonna put a little computer here, I'm gonna write the orders that I processed orders in here. Yeah, obviously during a pandemic, like, I haven't been going anywhere, so yeah, it just made sense to do that. Now, as things start to open up a little bit, and with part of what I do for work, because I'm a freelancer, it just makes sense to have a second vehicle. So we are searching, but so far, not tons of luck. Okay, those boxes are for there. I just learned that these are different sizes. I want to mark, so I'm going to use that to mark my grandmother's birthday. She turns 91 tomorrow. And then I want to mark that I have to go to the post office. Oops. That would be a Frenchie snoring. And then the bin is being picked up, so maybe I'll just write that. I use a little bow or something to mark that. Actually, I don't know what time they're coming. I don't even know if I'm supposed to call them to tell them that I'm done with it. Like, I have no idea. So for all I know, they may not even come tomorrow. Okay. Wednesday, my husband bought a new barbecue, and it's being delivered on Wednesday, so I think I have to be home for that. So I'm gonna mark that there. Is there any kind of, there's like a little alarm clock. Maybe I'll just use the asterisk. That there. It is also laundry day, and there is a sticker for that. So why don't we do just do that. Okay, Thursday, the only thing I have to mark right now is that in the evening, so last summer, if you were watching my videos, I don't know if I started my channel before or after this, but I did mention it in my Instagram posts. So if you followed me back then, you'll know I did an online craft camp last summer through the resetgirl.com, and I loved it. And so she's doing another one this year, so I am participating in there as a live that night. So mark that. And on Friday, I have to remember to order dog food. So you put it down. I have a lot of green here. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna order dog food. No paw print. No paw prints. No. Nope. Okay. Saturday is generally another laundry day for me, but I'm not going to write that in because I don't have, excuse me, another laundry sticker. But it is also the first day of summer. So let's mark that. I wish I'd saved one of these. Let's use, no. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And then I'm gonna take this sticker here and just put it maybe I'll just put it next to it. I just turned around and the Frenchies are both on the chair and they're snuggling and it's very cute. Okay, so I have that, and then there is also another live that afternoon. Okay, and then Sunday is Father's Day. So I will mark that down with this. Okay. A little heart. Okay, over here I'm going to put these boxes down. I'm sorry, that Frenchie is so loud tonight. Like way louder even than normal. She exhausted herself because she was playing so hard all day today. That she's probably just having like the best sleep of her life right now. Okay, get those in there. Then over here, I think I'm just gonna put, I might make it sort of simple over here this week. I might just do one sort of list of things. Will I? I don't love this here. I think I'm going to take that up and I'm going to put down one of these so I know it's a bunch of boxes all together. Sorry, Frenchie. Okay. Let's do so some general notes for this week, and then do we have like a to-do? Yeah. Do we have meals? No. So we'll put to-do there, and then we'll do one more. Okay, like that. Now for full boxes, I think I am going to put a couple down. So I think I'm going to put this one here. And we'll do one here. And then maybe one down here. It's a lot of green. Or maybe here. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, I wanted to put the little work header there. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna leave it for this week. I'm gonna go in with the pen now. It is the Micron 02, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I am gonna leave it like that. So there it is, my Hobonichi Weeks Planner for this week, June 15th through the 21st. I feel like Tinkerbell just snored extra loud in agreement with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.